This tutorial shows you how to make your text stand out using bold formatting in a Messenger conversation. First, open Messenger on your Android device. Open the conversation where you want to send bold text. From there, tap on the message field at the bottom to start typing. At this point, type an asterisk symbol directly before your text with no space. Then type your message, then add another asterisk at the end with no space. From there, it should look like this, asterisk, hello, asterisk, with no spaces between the asterisks and the word. After that, tap on send to deliver the message. In the next step, the text will appear bold in the conversation for both you and the recipient. From there, if you want to bold only part of a longer message, wrap just the specific word or phrase in asterisks while leaving the rest of the message as normal text. Once done, tap on send and confirm the selected word appears bold while the rest of the message stays in regular formatting. Following this, keep in mind that Messenger also supports other text formatting options using similar symbols. Wrapping text in underscores applies italic formatting, and wrapping it in tildes applies strike-through. From here, you can combine these formatting styles together if needed, such as bold and italic at the same time, by using both asterisks and underscores around the same word. Keep in mind, text formatting in Messenger only displays correctly within the Messenger app itself, so recipients viewing the message through a third-party app or older version of Messenger may see the raw symbols instead of the formatted text. Finally, send a test message with bold text and confirm it is displaying correctly in the conversation. And that's it. If this guide helps you bold text in Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.